beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olayinka and you are welcome to Yinka Beams. How have you doing? It's been weeks or days that I haven't posted on my channel, and that is because I have been busy. Let me tell you what I've been busy on. I've been busy creating videos, recording videos, editing, and doing a whole lot for my bidding course. Yes, I'm launching my bidding course on Saturday, 15th of March 2025. And so today is Thursday, 13th of March 2025 has been a whole lot. And in fact, I just finished creating the introductory video before shooting this one. And I decided I did not want my makeup or this branded t-shirt to waste. Let me use it to create a video for my channel. So if you are watching this video, you want to learn the art of jewelry making, you want to learn beaded necklaces, earrings, bracelets. Interestingly, there's even videos on how to design beaded headband and hairband. This beaded headband and hairband should even be a separate course on its own, but I decided to attach it to the bidding course. So if you want to learn all of these things, the course presently, as I record this video on the 13th, is 15,000, but when I launch this course, it becomes 30k. So if you are watching this video and if it is after 15th, the cost is already 30k, or it could even be 20,000. Just reach out to me and I will let you know the current price. So that's what I've been on, and this business I've actually been it has actually been on hold because I couldn't create content for my CAC, and I couldn't record and create content. I couldn't record the bidding course and edit at the same time because I just have two hands, and it's really exhausting. Even right now, I still have over 10 videos in my gallery that I need to edit before Saturday, because I'm going to start uploading all the videos to my Telegram group from tomorrow, so that by Saturday I give people that have paid access to the course. So right now I am even going to run away from here and go and edit my videos. So how have you been doing? Do you have any questions you want me to talk about? Because after I launched on Saturday, I'm going to come back here to drop new videos. But right now I do not have anything I want to talk about, unless I go into my notepad, because I have some topics there. But I want you to suggest for me. You are my amazing subscribers. You have been watching my videos. There are things that you love me to talk about more. What are the things? Please drop them after watching this video, and you do not drop it, you are not a good person. After watching this video, please drop the topics that you want me to talk about, okay? Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what happened? They go do, are we fighting? Oh yeah, sorry. Subscribe to my channel. Just click on the red button and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you will know when I'm going to upload new videos. I actually want to hit 1,000 this year. Please help me to hit 1,000 subscribers. So that's why I'm asking you to drop what you want me to talk about on my channel. Don't just go mute. Talk about it. Drop it. I'm not going to hit you, but trust me, I am one of the most sweetest person you will ever see, you will ever meet. Even if you have not met me, I'm sure that in my videos we have met one way or the other indirectly. I'm one of the most sweetest person with a good heart. Not actually like myself, that is actually the truth. I'm one of the most sweetest person you will ever meet, online or offline. If you haven't met me online before, but you have watched my video, I'm sure that you will have noticed my personality in my video, that I have a sweet heart. I am a kind person, that I have a good heart. I have a big heart. I can remove my eyes from you. I can do a lot for you. But if I see that you are trying to take advantage of me, I will withdraw. Anyway, so I know that you know that I am a sweet soul and I'm a sweet person. So suggest for me. Else, I'm going to go into my notepad. I'm going to go and draw, because I have nothing less than 10 topics that I see on my notepad that I want to talk about. Yes, I even wrote them down even before the beginning of this year. So don't fall my hand after watching this video. So after watching this video, send me your suggestion. Drop it in the comments. I would look at it. Somebody said I should do a video on CAC registration. I actually have a course. Okay, I'm going to think about it. But drop your own. Drop your own. It's only one person I saw. You should drop your own. If you're watching this video, drop your own. I'm shining my eyes. Drop your own. Oh, you cannot see me because I'm wearing glasses. Yeah, drop your own. So let me show you these beautiful necklaces. It's actually available for immediate purchase. Look at it. It comes with a necklace and an earring. The necklace is not close to where I am. Look at it.